In this video, I will show how to set up a Google Cloud account for a local n8n installation. Pay attention, local, not cloud. You will need this account to set up credentials for such nodes as Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drive, and Google Docs. To create and set up Google Cloud account for a local n8n installation, go to the following URL: console.cloud.google.com, or just Google Platform. Open Google Platform, you will see some project that we recently created. This is empty project. Go to APIs and Services. Click Enable APIs and Services. You will need to enable 3 APIs. Google Drive API. Click Enable, go back to APIs. Then Google Docs API. Open this API. Click Enable. Then Google Sheets API. Click Enable. Then Google Slides API. Open it, click Enable. Once all APIs were enabled, open a credentials page on APIs and Services. Click Create Credentials, select OAuth Client ID. Before creating OAuth Client ID, you must first configure your consent screen. Click Configure Consent Screen. Click Get Started, input application name and support email. Click Next. Select External. This is the only available option. Click Next. Your contact information. Input contact information and agree to Google API Services. Click Create. Now click Clients and click Create Client. In Application drop-down, select Web Application and type n8n Google Drive node. For authorized redirect URIs, you will need to go to n8n platform. Double-click on Google Drive node, click Create New Credential. You will see OAuth redirect URL here. Copy it, go back to GCP and click Add URI, paste URI. Click Create. You will see client ID and client secret. You will see this information only once, so please save it as a JSON, just in case. Copy client ID. Go back to n8n, paste in client ID field, go back to GCP, copy client secret, go back to n8n and paste in client secret field. Click Save and click Sign in with Google. Select your account. You will see that the access is blocked. So n8n Recruiter has not completed the verification process. It's fine. We need to set up a third thing. Go back to Google Platform. Close this page, click Data Access, click Add or Remove Scopes. We want this account to access Google Drive. So type here Google Drive API. You will see 14 permissions related to Google Drive API. Select the specific. I am just for the exercise will select all of them. If you have your access more narrow, feel free to select only the needed. Click Update. Now you will see that your account has scopes. Now you have scope access. Click Save. Go back to n8n and try to sign in again. Click Sign in, select your account. Still, you will see that the access is blocked. Now we need to set up a fourth thing. Give access for a user for our test account. Go back to Google Platform, click Audience. Here we will need to add test users. See no test users. Click Add Users and input your email. Mandatory, it must be a Google email. Click Save. You will see the user was added to the application as a test user. Now let's go back to n8n platform and try to sign in again. Select your account. You will see now a different picture. The access was granted, but the Google warns you that the application hasn't been verified. That's okay. Click Continue. Select all permissions and click Continue. Remember the account that we added, test account, and the permissions that we selected in the table earlier. You need all of that. Click Continue. You will see that the connection is successful. Go back to n8n. You will see that the Google Drive node has been connected successfully. Congratulations. Click Save. For the Sheets node, you will need to create another account with a different set of permissions. Double click on the node, select Create New Credential. Go back to Google Platform, click Clients, click Create Client. Again, web application, it will be n8n Google Sheets node. Again, add URI, go back to n8n, copy this URI, paste it here, click Create, copy client ID, paste to client ID field, copy client secret, paste to client secret, click Save. Try to sign in. Again, you will see that the account has been verified. It will allow you to log in, but this node will not execute because we didn't give the right permission to this account. So go back to GCP, click OK, and go to data access. We will need to add scope. So in the filter, type Google Sheets API. We will see that there are two additional permissions that we will have to grant to our account. Select all of them and click Update. We will see new scopes have been added, Google Sheets API, and click Save. In the same way, if you need this or another account to have access to Google Docs or Google Slides, give Google Docs API and select all APIs, click Update, or add Google Slides API and select all APIs from here and click Update. Click Save here. Please do not add all the permissions to a single account. Try to preserve the narrowest permissions principle because it destroys your security. We can continue with this account, give all the permissions and click Continue. So in this video, we just saw how to set up Google Slides, Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Sheets account for n8n nodes. Please don't forget to set up only the permissions that you need, add a test user, and create Google consent screen. Keep in mind that this setup only for a local version of n8n. For a cloud version, it is slightly different and easier. See you in other videos.